Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Infinity Info. Today we'll see about facts you should know, part 20. People who want to keep their exes as close friend are more likely to be narcissistic sociopath. Timothy, a female tortoise who died in 2004, was the last survivor of Crimean War. The war ended in 1856. Men spend an average of 7 hours a year hiding in bathroom for peace and quiet, according to the study of Pebble Gray. Italy spent $50 million bailing out the Parmesan cheese industry in 2008. From Brigham Young University, having a sister can boost your mental health and self-esteem. The same study also found having a sister can help you become more giving and kinder person. Thank you for watching this video guys. If you'd like to know more about new facts and information, please subscribe to my channel Infinity Info. If you like this video, give a like and comment below.